The SIG SG 551 is a variant of the Swiss assault rifle SIG SG 550. In 1978, the Swiss Army formulated requirements for a successor to the STG 57 battle rifle, known commercially as the SG 510, using the 7.5x55mm Schmidt Rubin cartridge. Emphasis was placed on modularity. The weapon family included several variants of the base design, including a compact carbine that would be issued to rear-echelon and support troops, commanding staff, vehicle crews, special operations personnel, and paratroopers. Another aim was to reduce the rifle's overall weight while retaining comparable or improved accuracy out to 300 meters. The solicitation was narrowed down to two designs. The W plus FC42, developed by the state-owned Waffenfabrik Bern, using both 6.45x48mm and 5.6x45mm cartridges, and the SG 541, developed by SIG. In 1981, the experimental 6.45mm GP80 cartridge was rejected in favor of the more conventional 5.56x45mm GP90 round, with a 4.1 grams, tomback-jacketed, lead core projectile that is the Swiss equivalent to NATO's standard 5.56x45mm cartridge. The SG 551 carbine has a short pattern 14.3 inches barrel, gas tube, and piston compared to the SG 550. The SG 551 series rifles have a long sight radius of 18.3 inches. The handguards were also changed and the bipod removed. The SG 551 cannot be used with bayonets or fire rifle grenades. The SG 551 comes in several specialized variants designed for use with security and special forces. Among those variants are the SG 551 1P police carbine, designed to engage point targets out to 300 meters, equipped with a Hensoldt 6x42BL telescopic sight and detachable cheek riser. The SG 551 SWAT carbine, coated with a corrosion-resistant finish and fitted with an optical sight mount used with a wide array of sights, and can also accept mission-critical accessories such as a bipod, laser pointer, or tactical light. And the SG 551 LB carbine with an extended 17.9 inches barrel that enables the use of rifle grenades and a bayonet. Usually it's equipped with a highly tested and accurate sighting system. A universal scope mount is available and accepts a wide range of sighting aids such as night vision equipment, Trijicon ACOGs, and other STANAG-based optics without the need for special tools or adapters.